Let me show you how to use the Boolean modifier in Blender. It's a powerful and flexible tool for combining or subtracting objects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Blender and make sure you're in Object Mode. You can check this in the top left-hand corner of the screen where it says Object Mode. If it's not selected, click the drop-down and choose Object Mode. Now, let's add two objects to work with. Press Shift+A to open the Add menu and choose Mesh. Start by adding a cube and a sphere. The cube will be your base object, and the sphere will be the one interacting with it using the Boolean modifier. Select the cube, and in the Properties panel on the right, click the Modifiers tab, which looks like a little wrench. Click Add Modifier and choose Boolean from the list. Now you'll see several options. There are three options here. The first option is Difference. This option removes the part of the base object, in this case our cube, that overlaps with the other object, the sphere. It's great for making holes in objects. After selecting Difference, go to the Object field and click the eyedropper tool. Then, click on the sphere to select it. You'll immediately see that the cube has a hole in the shape of the sphere where they intersect. The second option is Union. This option combines the two objects into one. After selecting Union, the cube and sphere will merge into a single object. This is useful for joining two meshes together seamlessly. The final option is Intersect. This option keeps only the overlapping area of the objects, and it removes everything else. Now let's go over how to apply the modifier. It's important to note that the Boolean operation is non-destructive until you apply it, so you can adjust it as much as you like. To apply the modifier, make sure you're still in Object Mode, then click Apply in the modifier settings. Once applied, the operation becomes permanent and you can no longer adjust it. If you want to keep adding or modifying more objects using the Boolean modifier, you can repeat these steps. Just select the next object you want to interact with and choose the desired operation. That's it. Now you've successfully used the Boolean modifier to combine, subtract, or intersect objects in Blender. I hope this video helped.